Welcome to Notting Hill Carnival 2024. Yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Carnival Notting Hill 2024.
Thank you!
She's whining on someone. She's whining on someone. She's whining on someone. 1, 2. Whining on somebody. No. That's it, Lozzie. Go on. Go on, Lozzie. Give him that Bayesian waistline. Go on. That's it. There we go. Listen, everybody, watch it. 1, 2, 3, hey. Pull up, body, boy, body, boy. Yes. Lovely, lovely. Cruise control right now, yes. All right, everybody, ready. Ladies, go on your toes. Ladies, go on your toes right now. Wipe on your toe. Yeah. This anime is killer. Caribbean session. DJ Judgment. My name's Cappuccino. Everybody sing the word. Yo. When we touch those. Louder. When we touch those. Yeah. When we touch those. God bless you, Lord. Oli, oli, oli.
Oli, oli.
When you see me do me money, I will do the shit. Yeah, you don't do me money. We black and we clean the street. We got him as I know. Make sure that I see the shit. That's what I like. We don't need it. We energize me now. Ladies, ringing bell. Moving like we come from the light. We on the hot job just spell, so we playing jab until we dead. Jab away junk like fish. I didn't know any that we dead in it. When you see we do Caribbean sessions. Yo. Listen. Going out there. Sing. Put jab on me. What? Going out there. Put jab on me. So somebody lie on the floor. Lie on the floor. What is it? Black blood in me veins. Hey, black blood in me veins. Black blood in me veins. We say not drunk enough yet. All right, cool. Black blood in me veins. Black blood in me veins. Caribbean sessions. Many islands, one vision. Do we have anybody from the continent of Africa outside? That's why I did like this. Yes. Put jab on me too. Do we have any Latinas outside? Obrigado. Yes. Black blood in me veins. Black blood in me veins. Black blood in me veins. Me gusta, me gusta. That's all I know. That's all I know. Hey! We come to spread that good energy, you know? Strictly
ride. We'll get back to the craziness in a second. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot be on the right hand side of the truck, yeah? You cannot be on the right hand side of the truck. Take time. Once we have straightened up, we need to wait for the coach. Coach is way far back. Yeah? All right, can we stop? Can we stop? Or you want to go forward a little bit more? Stop. All right, cool. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of the coach, can you move to the side, please? The coach needs to come through. We will get back to the music shortly. Safety before bacchanal. You get it? Safety is paramount.
Let's wait for bed. Let's wait for bed. Really? Yeah, because there's more fans, I believe. This is not the only one.